Texas, United States, July 5th, 2025. An entire region has been plunged into a nightmare. The normally placid and calm waters of the Guadalupe River have transformed into a river of death. In just 2 hours, torrential rain has unleashed one of the most violent floods in recent Texas history. It was the morning after Independence Day. People were still asleep, unaware of the horror that was about to overwhelm them. At first light, a series of violent thunderstorms dumped over a foot of rain in the hilly region of south-central Texas in just a few hours. There were weather warnings, yes, but no one could have imagined the destructive intensity of what was about to unfold. In Kerrville, a town of 20,000, the water began to rise without warning. The sirens didn't have time to sound. The rivers, swollen with fury, swept away roads, homes, and campsites. It wasn't just rain. It was a flash flood, a liquid avalanche. Mayor Dalton Rice declared at a press conference that the water exceeded safe levels in less than 2 hours. Radar didn't have time to detect the flood. It was too late. No evacuation was possible. The toll is tragic. At least 24 confirmed victims, dozens missing, and a devastated community. And among the missing were 23 girls from a Christian summer camp, swept away while sleeping in their tents on the banks of the Guadalupe River. Camp Mystic, a place designed for childhood and serenity, turned into a death trap. The flood struck at 4 a.m. The water seeped everywhere, lifting mattresses, sweeping away tents, and taking away dreams and innocence. Texas Governor Greg Abbott declared that rescue efforts will continue non-stop, even at night. Every available resource will be deployed, he promised, signing the declaration of a state of emergency for the entire affected area. President Donald Trump, speaking aboard Air Force One, also assured that the federal government will provide all necessary support. Coast Guard and FEMA teams have already been deployed to search for the missing and assist the displaced. 4th of July celebrations have been canceled. The hardest hit areas like the Kerrville riverfront have been completely submerged. The images arriving are heartbreaking. Overturned cars, houseboats, people in tears searching for loved ones. County Sheriff Larry Letha updated the death toll throughout the day. We've gone from 13 to 24 deaths in a matter of hours, he said in a broken voice, adding that the numbers could rise. Why wasn't more done to prevent it? Why, despite forecasts, didn't anyone order evacuations in time? Kerr County Judge Rob Kelly responded harshly to the criticism. We're used to floods, but not to an event of this magnitude. No one could have predicted such violence. No one. He added that the Guadalupe Valley is one of the most dangerous in the United States, and today we saw confirmation of that. Despite everything, many children have been saved thanks to the timely intervention of volunteers and emergency teams. The search continues amid mud, debris, and hope. The survivors, though traumatized, tell stories of courage and solidarity. What happened in Texas isn't just a natural tragedy, it's a wake-up call. The climate is changing. Extreme events are increasingly frequent, more violent, and more unpredictable. No technology can stop the brutal force of nature when it unleashes its full fury. Our thoughts are with the victims, the destroyed families, the children who will never return home, and also with those who, in that pouring rain, did the impossible to save lives.